Welcome back to RazFamArt. Today we're going to draw a cute crab. To begin, you'll need something to draw with. Let's get started. Our first shape is going to be a big oval shape for its body. So it's going to take up most of the page. Kind of get there in the middle. So I'm going to start right here. You can start where you like, but I'm going to start right here and making my way down and around and back on top. Okay, now that we have a body, let's get some claws. So we're going to get those top claws by going upward in a curved line, and then another curved line right underneath it. There you go. It's fixing up this line right here. Then I'm going to make another curved line on the top. This is going to be the top part of the claw. I'm going to go curve and up. And then we're going to make another curved line going the other direction. And now we're going to make a V shape that will connect both of these lines. Going down. And then another line going up. We have one claw down. Let's get the other. Okay, we're going to make another curved line on the other side. Make another curved line on the other side. And if you find it useful, you can also use your finger to help you trace whatever it is that will help you get through this. Okay, so let's make another curved line right here. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side, going up and out. And then let's make another V shape. So we're going to go down and then curving that line again right up there. We have the top of our claws. Yay! Looks like it's so happy. All right, let's start making the legs. I'm going to make one line going sideways and then another one going down. Then we're going to make another line going sideways and then going down parallel to our first line. So I'm going to start here and then make my way down and connect. So now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to go sideways and then down. Sideways and down. And then we're going to make another parallel line, just doing the same thing. Let's make another line for another leg. There you go. And I'm just going to make a U shape just to keep it really simple. And let's make another U shape on the other side. There we go. And we're going to make two more legs. So we're going to make another U shape. This one's going to be a little bit smaller. And then another U shape. Next, let's get those eyes. Let's make a circle for one eye right here. And then let's make a tinier circle on the inside. And then another tiny circle on the other. We're going to make another circle on the other side. And then a tiny circle. And then another little tiny circle. For that glare, I'm going to just quickly color this in. You can pause the video, or you can wait till later to color yours in. So let's get started on the mouth. We're going to make a slightly U shape for the top of the mouth. And then we're going to make a really big U shape for the bottom of the mouth. To make our crabby have a big happy face. Okay, and we're going to make a N shape for the tongue. Let's add some eyebrows, even though crabs don't have eyebrows, but we're making it cute. And there you have it. Our crab is done. But I'm going to add a heart on top. If you feel like you're done, you can be. Or if you like, you can draw a heart as well. So we're going to make a curved line and then make your way down in a diagonal line. I'm going to try to do that again on the other side. So you're going to make a curved line and then make your way down. Boop. Okay, that's it. Our crab is totally complete. Thank you for drawing with me today. I hope you enjoyed making this crab. Let's get ready to color! Don't forget to like and please subscribe. Also, hit that bell for notifications.